Which adult kick scooter is actually good? Simple question, but to find the right one, you have to dig a bit deeper. Today, we're breaking it down to help you make the best choice. Product number 1, Way Plus KS1 Kick Scooter. The Way Plus KS1 caught my eye right away with its sleek design and the fact that it supports riders up to 240 pounds. Priced at $69.99, it's definitely positioned as an affordable option. If you want a reliable scooter for commuting or just having fun with the family, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The KS1 has 8-inch wear-resistant wheels paired with ABEC9 bearings, which means you get a smooth ride even on bumpy streets. Plus, the quick push-button folding makes it super portable. If you've ever struggled with awkwardly handling your scooter, you'll appreciate this feature. The adjustable height fits riders from 3.9 to 6.2 feet, making it a great family scooter so everyone can share it. Now, some people complained about the weight. At around 10 pounds, it can feel a bit heavy to lug around. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for short distances or commuting, it's really not that bad. It's still portable enough with the carry strap. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly scooter that grows with your family. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for travel. Honestly, for under $70, this scooter offers solid value. Now, if the weight of the Way Plus KS1 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its lighter design and even more features. Product number 2, Aero Mobility Big Wheel Kick Scooter. Next up is the Aero Mobility Big Wheel Kick Scooter, priced at $83.99. Its light-up wheels really caught my attention, adding a fun touch for both kids and adults. If you're after safety and a smoother ride, this might be the scooter for you. The dual brake system is a standout feature, combining a foot brake with a hand-operated one for more control. This is crucial when you're navigating busy streets. Plus, the 8-inch PU wheels with built-in shock absorption ensure a comfortable ride on rough surfaces. You won't have to worry about jarring bumps anymore. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, it's suitable for a wide range of riders, making it a great choice for the whole family. However, a few users pointed out that the handbrake can be a bit stiff at first. I get it, that can be frustrating. But after some use, it generally becomes easier to handle, making it a non-issue for most riders. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, safe option that lights up and stands out. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler design without the bells and whistles. Honestly, for what you get, it's a solid pick for around $84. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a smooth ride without any fuss. Product number 3, La Scooter Kick Scooter. The La Scooter Kick Scooter is next, and it's priced at $79.99. With a whopping 17,700 reviews and a solid rating of 4.6 stars. This scooter is really popular. If you're looking for something stylish and functional, this scooter might just be your match. What makes the La Scooter stand out is its lattice suspension technology, which means fewer vibrations while riding. This is perfect for cruising around town or commuting without feeling every bump in the road. The scooter also features a non-slip deck and heat-treated brakes for added safety, which is crucial, especially if you plan a ride in busy areas. Don't forget the 3 height options for the handlebar. It's accommodating and perfect for different riders. That said, some users have mentioned the folding mechanism can be a bit tricky at first. I totally understand that can be annoying, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty convenient, especially for storage or transport. This is perfect for you if you're after a smooth ride and want something that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For $80, this scooter gives you great performance and style. Now, if you're really looking for something sturdy and built for taller riders, Razor's next on my list and might just be what you need. Product number 4, Razor A6 Kick Scooter. The Razor A6 is up next, priced at $149.99. This scooter really impressed me with its extra tall handlebars and a longer deck, making it perfect for taller riders. If you need something built for comfort and smooth rides, you should definitely consider this one. The A6 features Razer's tallest handlebars, adjustable up to 42 inches, which is fantastic for taller adults. You get a roomy 13.4-inch deck for more footroom, which is a huge comfort factor. Plus, the 10-inch urethane wheels provide a very smooth glide, which is great for city commuting. This scooter can handle up to 220 pounds, so it's designed to last. However, I did find that some reviews mention the price point can be a bit steep compared to others on this list. Here's the thing though. If you're over 6 feet tall, the comfort and stability it offers might be worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you need a scooter designed for taller riders and want a smooth ride. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and need a more affordable option. Honestly, if you're looking for quality and comfort, this scooter is worth the extra bucks. And finally, if you're not sold on the A6, but want something that's equally durable but a bit more affordable, the Razer A5 might be the right fit for you. Product number 5, Razer A5 Air Kick Scooter. Last but not least is the Razer A5 Air Kick Scooter, coming in at $148.72. This one caught my eye for its pneumatic rubber wheels, which really enhance the ride quality. If you want comfort and durability, you should definitely check this out. The A5 features an extra long deck for more foot space, making it ideal for taller riders up to 220 pounds. The 8-inch wheels provide great stability and a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. It also has a folding design with anti-rattle handlebars, which is great for easy storage and transport. If you've had enough of shaky rides, this one might surprise you. But I will say, some users have pointed out that it can feel a bit heavy for carrying around. I get that. It's not the lightest option out there. But honestly, if you're using it mainly for commuting or recreational rides, the sturdiness is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable scooter that offers comfort and performance. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for travel. For just under $150, you're getting a solid deal for a high-quality ride. So, to wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic adult kick scooters today. The affordable Way Plus KS1, the fun Aero Mobility with its light-up wheels, the stylish La Scuda, the tall and sturdy Razer A6, and the comfort-focused Razer A5. Each has its strengths, depending on your needs. Take your pick, and happy scooting.